How to make any word pair. Just add ani. For example, 2 pens. Pen plus ani equals penani. Status of penani is rafa. If you want to have 2 pens in nasab or jar status, then you just have to add aini at the end. Pen plus aini equals penaini. Now how to say 3 pens? Just add una at the end if it is rafa, and ina at the end if it is nasab or jar. Pen plus una equals penuna. Pen plus ina equals penina. By the way, this way of making plural or pair can only be done with words that are people, not objects. In Quran, humans, angels, and jinn are considered people.